Right now, most people think AI is just tools like ChatGPT answering questions. You type a prompt and the AI gives a response and that's it. But the next wave of AI is very different. Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your questions, it plans tasks, makes decisions, and completes work on its own. Instead of being just a tool, it starts behaving more like a digital worker. And that's where the difference between generative AI and agentic AI begins. Understanding this shift is important because it could shape the future of technology, jobs, and productivity. So, in this video, we'll break down what generative AI is, what agentic AI means, the key differences between them, and why many experts believe agentic AI is the next major evolution of artificial intelligence. So, let's start with the AI most people already know, generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content based on patterns it has learned from massive datasets. Instead of just analyzing information, it can actually generate new outputs. These outputs can include text, images, code, audio, and video. Some of the most popular generative AI tools today include ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E. These tools can produce incredibly massive results in seconds. For example, you can ask AI, these tools can produce incredibly impressive results in seconds. For example, you can ask AI to write an email, generate marketing content, create an image, summarize a document, or even explain a complex topic, and almost instantly the AI produces an answer. But here is one important limitation. Generative AI is prompt based. It only works when you tell it what to do. It doesn't take initiative, it doesn't plan tasks, and it doesn't execute actions in the real world. It simply generates an output in response to a prompt. And that's where the next evolution of AI begins. If generative AI is about creating content, the next generation of AI is about something much bigger. It's about getting work done. And this brings us to agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to AI systems that can act as autonomous agents. Instead of simply responding to prompts, these systems can set goals, break complex tasks into smaller steps, make decisions, use external tools, and execute actions. In simple terms, generative AI answers questions, agentic AI solves problems. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you tell an AI, plan a 3-day trip to Japan under $1,500. A generative AI system might respond with suggestions like places to visit, travel tips, hotel recommendations. But an agentic AI system would go much further. It could search for flights, compare hotel prices, build a complete itinerary, book reservations, and send you the final travel plan, all automatically. Instead of just suggesting ideas, the AI actually completes the task. That's the key difference. So, what really separates generative AI from agentic AI? Let's break it down in simple terms. First, interaction. Generative AI is prompt based. You ask a question and the AI gives a response. Agentic AI is goal based. You give it an objective and the system figures out how to achieve it. Second, autonomy. Generative AI has low autonomy. It depends completely on our user instructions. Agentic AI has higher autonomy. It can plan multiple steps and take actions independently. Number 3, execution. Generative AI mainly produces content. Agentic AI performs actions and executes workflows. Because of this, many experts believe agentic AI represents the next major phase of artificial intelligence. Now let's see why agentic AI is a big deal. The reason agentic AI is getting so much attention is because it moves AI from being just a tool. It becomes a digital worker. Instead of helping with one small task at a time, AI could start managing entire workflows. For example, in marketing, an AI agent research a topic, write a blog post, generate images, schedule social media posts, and analyze engagement data, all automatically. In software development, an AI agent could analyze product requirements, generate code, test the code, detect bugs, and deploy updates. This level of automation could dramatically increase productivity across industry. So are we already seeing agentic AI? The idea of agentic AI isn't just theoretical. We're already starting to see early experiments. Projects like AutoGPT, Baby AGI are examples of systems designed to operate with minimal human input. These tools use powerful language models like those behind ChatGPT but add extra layers to allow them to plan tasks, prioritize actions, and execute workflows. Right now, these systems are still experimental, but they give us a glimpse of where AI development is heading. So, what is the future of AI? The future of artificial intelligence will likely combine both approaches. Generative AI will continue to power creativity, content generation, explanation, and ideas, while agentic AI will power automation, task execution, workflow management. In other words, generative AI creates the ideas and agentic AI carries them out. So the difference between these two types of AI can be summarized simply into generative AI creates content and agentic AI takes action. And as AI continues to evolve, we may soon see systems that don't just answer questions, but actually work alongside humans to complete complex tasks. Understanding the shift is important because it could shape the next generation of AI tools, businesses, and careers. So if you found this explanation helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos that break down complex AI topics into simple terms, make sure to subscribe because AI is evolving incredibly fast and understanding these changes can make a huge difference. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.